Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. W. R. Reddy, IAS, Director General Madam Sorupa Ji, former Director Generals, Alumni, esteemed members of MSME community, faculty members, and NIMSME staff members. I welcome you all. I welcome especially the staff members from administration, from accounts, from establishment, from caretaking, dispatch, canteen, hostel, reception, garden, and even security. I welcome you all. It's a great privilege and honor to welcome you to the 58th Foundation Day of National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, as we popularly call it, NIMSME. Please accept my warm felicitations. In 1960, the Central Industrial Extension Training Institute took birth with the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises (MSME) as a department under Ministry of Industry and Commerce, New Delhi. Since then, the institute has trained more than 5,36,500 participants by organizing around 16,000 programs, which includes prospective and existing entrepreneurs and officials from various ministries, Government of India, state governments. NIMSME has trained more than 10,350 international executives from more than 143 developing countries. The institute has also undertaken more than 945 research and consultancy projects till March 2020. Today, on this auspicious occasion, we especially thank our Director General Madam for inspiring us to conduct this virtual gathering to commemorate our 58th Foundation Day. Madam, within short period, you have emerged as a pillar of support and strength for the institute. In any scenario, the institute will continue to carry out its activity under your counsel and guidance of Executive Committee and Governing Council. We are most grateful to our distinguished Chief Guest for agreeing to virtually deliver today's Foundation Day address despite his busy schedule. We look forward to the continued growth of the NIMSME to newer heights. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
On the occasion of the Founders Day of NIMSME, I would like to congratulate the Director General and the entire team of NIMSME for carrying forward the legacy of this institute, which was established way back in 1960. NIMSME has always had the capability of evolving with the changing times. They have been doing capacity building, research-oriented programs, not only for the Indian entrepreneurs, but also for the foreign entrepreneurs. In the changing scenario where online courses and e-platform has become the need of the hour, I wish all the best to the entire team to do very well in the changing scenario and wish all of them the very best. Thank you.
I am happy that National Institute MSME is celebrating its 58th Foundation Day. It is a matter of great pride that this institution has done commendable things and taken various initiatives during the last 58 years. I congratulate the entire team and the family to take this wonderful journey. On Foundation Day, we recollect and remember our founding fathers who had a vision to develop this institution for national gains. We must fulfill those dreams and work together for the upliftment of MSME as a whole. This sector requires a holistic approach, lot of capacity building among different stakeholders.
Very good day to everyone. On the very special occasion of Eid celebrations marking the 58th Foundation Day of NIMSME, I, on behalf of the African Asian Rural Development Organization and on my own behalf, wish to convey my heartfelt congratulations to this esteemed institution. Indeed, it gives me immense pleasure in expressing my gratitude to all those who helped build this great institution and in making it a globally renowned and prestigious institution with stalwarts in the domain. Other special congratulations go to all former and present chairpersons, members of the Governing Council, executive committees, director generals, directors, to faculty and staff of this prominent and influential institution. We have also special words of thanks to the esteemed government of India for facilitating NIMSME in growing and excelling itself through its specialized activities with professionally designed specialized training, research, and consultancy in the fields of MSMEs, entrepreneurship development, livelihoods, business, and cluster development. As you may be aware, the African Asian Rural Development Organization is an intergovernmental and intercontinental rural-centric platform with 31 governments from Africa and Asia, unleashing the power of South-South and triangular cooperation to imperatively respond to upgrading capacities, capabilities, innovation, and technological needs in member countries. Factually, we touch the lives of some 2.6 billion people in the two continents. It is a matter of pride indeed to state that NIMSME is one of Urdu's centers of excellence and a trusted partner collaborating with Urdu since 1969. Through this fruitful collaboration, some 600 candidates from the Urdu member countries have been successfully trained at NIMSME in various courses on SME and entrepreneurship development. The long outstanding collaboration between Urdu and NIMSME include the successful organization of an international workshop on empowerment of women through rural enterprises. In today's pandemic context, there seems to be a consensus as to expect more drastic repercussions than that of the 2008 financial crisis and the Great Depression. The impact of the coronavirus, which seems to have a very long tail, and the ensuing economic recession will be more serious in countries with pre-existing precarious economic and social conditions. In these challenging times, we are exceptionally happy to enhance our partnership with NIMSME to better support our member countries in Africa and Asia to combat the daunting challenges of recovering from impact of the pandemic and providing enough steam to their MSMEs, especially those in the rural areas, to ensure that these socio-economic actors continue to play a pivotal role in their respective economies by contributing further to their GDPs and in providing opportunities of employment, income, and most importantly, livelihood in the rural areas. We should underline the fact that the developing African and Asian countries, about 90% of all enterprises are micro, small, and medium, which account for nearly 75% of their GDP, against an average of 50% in the rest of the world. They also assume and enhance significance in the rural areas, where nearly 70 to 75% of the population is concentrated. We are confident that NIMSME will be able to encapsulate the evolving experiences in India and other countries for e-dissemination to the member countries to assist them in conception and benchmarking of recovery policies and programs. I therefore look forward to further enhance the vital partnership between Urdu and NIMSME so as to continue to supplement its endeavors to develop the available human resources in its member countries into potential entrepreneurs and be able to create viable rural enterprises. I wish NIMSME to grow from strength to strength and attain greater heights and excellence in transforming the human resource potential and promoting efficiencies in MSMEs. Congratulations again for marking the 58th Foundation Day of NIMSME. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention.
I wish National Institute of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises, or lovingly known as NIMSME, the very best on their 58th Foundation Day. I wish them many, many more successful years in the years to come. Thank you.
Go.
I'm Sushma Morthania, Director General India SME Forum and Governing Council member of NIMSME. On the occasion of the 58th Foundation Day of NIMSME, I wish them all the very best and many success.
Congratulations on your 58th Foundation Day. My name is Irma Espino from the Republic of the Philippines. I am a certified public accountant with a master's degree in business administration. I work as a division chief in a government corporation under the Department of Trade and Industry. I belong to the third phase of the International Executive Development Training Program along with delegates from 32 different countries. I attended the Total Quality Management and ISO course, which is directed by Dr. Reddy and Mrs. Swapna from November 2017 to January 2018. My learnings from the program and the application of best practices helped me as an auditor to provide assistance to my organization in obtaining the ISO 9001-2015 certification in the first quarter of 2018. In closing, allow me to express my gratitude to the Government of India, to ITEC, to the Director General, and the rest of the faculty and staff for giving me the opportunity to join the roster of scholars of the National Institute for Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises. In behalf of my fellow delegates from the Philippines and the rest of the 84 delegates from my batch, we would like to convey our appreciation for the knowledge imparted to us and the hospitality for making our stay comfortable and enjoyable. Thank you so much for the memorable experiences and lasting friendship. Keep up the good work and more power.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Abuno Eno Engo Robert. I'm from the Republic of Cameroon, where I work as a Foreign Affairs Officer for our Ministry of External Relations. I have a background in law and international relations. In 2018, I studied a course on the financing of small and medium enterprises at NIMSME, Hyderabad, where I learned a lot, especially about the crucial role finance institutions play in supporting the SME sector in India. Back home, I've been able to play a crucial role in policy drafting and implementation to boost our SME sector. I will forever cherish the moments and the times I had in India, especially the support and assistance from our program director, Dr. Vijaya, and the support of the auxiliary as well as the teaching staff.
Namaste, I'm Magda Hanna from Egypt. I'm graduated from Hotel and Tourism University and I get a Master in Business Administration. I'm working as an hotel auditor and Minister of Tourism. I had a great honor to apply an international program on the Total Quality Management and ISO 9001, 2015, 14001, 22000, 27000 and Six Sigma on 2018 under supervision of National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, Government of India. I learned how to apply Kaizen model on my work and how to deliver the service efficiency to my customers and never stop learning and improving my audit. I had a magnificent experience about Indian culture, historical places, food. I'm too grateful to Indian government for the opportunity. I wish all the success for NIMSME for its future activity. Thank you NIMSME for everything. Thank you for your Indian government.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Rubio. I am an agricultural engineer. I'm working in the Ministry of Science and Technology from Chile, South America. I was studying intellectual property management in 2018 in NISME, Hyderabad. My key learnings from the program were new technologies made in India and strategy to get intellectual property rights in different cases and situations. That course, Intellectual Property Management, helped me to see the good examples of the organizations in India, especially government organizations and companies, small and big companies. Those examples will we copy in my country. It's a good experience to study in India. India is incredible.
Bulbunaka. My name is Albert David Butt. I am from Suwa, Fiji Islands in the South Pacific. I attended the NIMSME program in India way back in 2018. Um, the program name was Training of Trainers, Entrepreneurship and Skill Development, also known as TOTS ESD. Key learnings that I've learned from when I was back at India, there was a lot of factors that has improved through this program. One of them was coaching in classrooms environment, learning and ability to instruct and practice, mentoring and motivational speech and actions, skill development in teaching, workshop activities, application of key learnings. With these new attained skills and knowledge, I've successfully and conducted trainings in our organizations with a standard that is compared to university level in delivering the attributes attained. Not only conducted training for our inner office staff, but also for our technical staff out there in the field. Significant contributions by myself to the stakeholders. Well, through this program, it has given me confidence in approaching our customers, providing efficient and reliable assistance wherever required in terms of attending to complaints and resolving issues that we have with our customer bills. Also, the overall experience that I have for NIMSME and the whole of India, well, it was an awesome experience indeed, and I would never give it up for anything. The culture, the atmosphere was too good. And the environment for learning and the activities provided was a big boost. Nonetheless, not forgetting the NIMSME staff who provided a home away from home environment for me. A piece of message that I'd like to relay to everyone out there, well, I'm grateful and indebted to the government of Fiji and the government of India for offering an opportunity for me to be part of the international training program at National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, also known as NIMSME back in Hyderabad. My appreciation goes to the program directors and lecturers for their insightful and patience and generous guidance. Also, I'm thankful to many instructors and guest speakers who devoted their limited time to give valuable knowledge and experience. I'm grateful and indebted to the government of Fiji and the government of India for offering me an opportunity to be part of this training program at National Institute of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, also known as NIMSME in Hyderabad, India. My appreciation goes to the program directors for their insightful and patience and guidance and generous guidance. Also, I'm thankful to my instructors and guest speakers who devoted their limited time to give valuable knowledge and experience. I also would like to give my sincere gratitude to the Water Authority of Fiji Board of Directors and my superiors and my fellow colleagues at Water Authority for giving me the opportunity to participate in this kind of international training program and cooperate with our office work for more than a month that I'm away. Thank you very much and Vinaka Vakalip.
Hello, I am Bashini Mendis from Sri Lanka. I am having basic degree in food and nutrition as well as master's degree in food science and technology. I am currently working as an assistant director in Sri Lanka Standards Institution. In 2018, I have participated for the International Executive Development Training Program conducted by the Government of India in National Institute of Micro, Medium and Small Enterprises under the Total Quality Management Scheme. In there, I have learned about ISO 9001, ISO 22000, ISO 14000, ISO 50000 and Six Sigma. These learning aspects now I am using in my auditing as well as training conducted under the good manufacturing practices. Also, I have learned about Indian food, Indian culture, Indian historical places during my stay in India. It was a fantastic experience for me. So I am grateful for the Indian government to give this opportunity for me, as well as I am wishing all the success for the NIMSME for their future activities.
Hello to all the people in this Hyderabad. My name is Soyla Ferrari. I'm from Honduras, Central America. I'm an industrial engineer with a master's degree in business administration. My designation is executive assistant for the CEO at Banco Popular. I participated in the international program of NISME in November 2019. I took the course SMI, Financing Approaches and Strategies. My key learning from the program was know about how the SMI model of India works since the development of initiative, methodology, investment, and the most important to me was how the rural banks supports the women empowerment. When I came back to my country, I started to work for developing new strategies, initiatives enabled to microfinance, and currently I'm leading with the social and environmental program management. In this experience allowed me to learn about other cultures and made me grow as a person and on my professional career to keep working to able and make social impact. Thanks India, incredible India. Stay safe at home. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Joana Aristizabal Galvis. I'm from Colombia, Master in Food Development and Innovation. I work as a consultant in Cassava Processing Technologies. I participate in the training program Planning and Promotion of Agro and Food Enterprises at NISME from January to March in 2018. It was a wonderful experience. In this course, I learned about entrepreneurship, agribusiness policies and regulation, and I focused my career in this area, and nowadays I am doing a master in international agribusiness in Germany. What I liked most of visit India was learning about its culture and tradition and meeting people from many parts of the world. I met good friends with whom I still keep in touch. I send you all warmest greetings, wishing you all be well with your family during this pandemic, and hoping that this be over soon and we all reborn with a new perspective on life, since we can only live on this planet, treating others and nature with compassion and intelligence.
Warm greetings to NIMSME team. My name is Salma Ipige from Namibia, University Lecturer and SME Trainer. I participated in TMSM program in November 2016 to January 2017. My key learning from the program was on the different methods available for teaching and learning, on the importance of selecting the right and effective methods, and also on knowing how and when and where to use these different methods. And this I could apply in my university teaching and also in our SME training programs. My time in India was indeed an eye-opener and educational. It was the most rewarding time, filled with all the kinds of learning from the deep-rooted culture, the traditions, the amazing food and incredible people. I'm forever grateful to the program directors and the instructors who gave us valuable knowledge and experience, and the entire NIMSME staff for their hospitality and insightful guidance. A big shout out to Dr. Sharma, Dr. Rao, my TMSM team, and all the friends from NIMSME batch November 2016 to January 2017. You are all missed. Last but not least, stay home, be safe, and take care.
Hello, namaste from Kiribati. My name is Chow Sira. They completed my year 12 back in Australia in 2006. I'm one of the officers in the Commerce, the Quality Assurance Officer or Quality Promotion Officer. I'm working for the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. And I attended one of the course at NIMSME back in 2018. It's Total Quality Management and ISO 9001. After taking a course back in India in Hyderabad, it gives me a lot of background information on quality. Now you can see behind me is my accommodation back in the Outer Highlands. So after getting the ideas from the course that I attended at NIMSME, it allows me to deliver better advice on quality. So I'm really glad that I joined the course, TQM and ISO 9001. I love India very much. I love seeing the place where Bahubali film made and also the 3 Idiots. I like the Hyderabad biryani and I love India very, very much. Thank you.
Greetings from Indonesia. I am Dini. I have a master's degree in industrial engineering. I am currently working at the Training Center of Cooperative and Small Medium Enterprises. I joined ITEC program phase 3 on 2018 for the course of Total Quality Management at NIMSME. What did I get from the program? Of course, it's the knowledge. It is a weapon for me as a trainer here. And other than that, I made connections with 33 other countries, and it's so wonderful. So, thank you for ITEC, thank you for NIMSME, and happy 58th Foundation Day for NIMSME.
I'm Joseph Dennis Kruma from Sierra Leone. I have a master's in public administration, development economics, and diploma, that is BSc and diploma. I'm Senior Social Services Officer, Programs, Ministry of Gender and Children's Affairs, Sierra Leone. I was in India 2018 for TOT, Entrepreneurship and Skills Development. One of the things I learned, business development and market survey, those are key, and also the implant studies, they are very, very key. I'm yet to officially engage people in terms of knowledge transfer officially, but I've done that personally with both the beneficiaries of some of the projects we are handling in the ministry. And I've also done some amount of work with commercial motorbike riders. India is incredible, it's lovely. Thanks to the academic staff, thanks to the administrative staff, starting from the cleaners upwards. Thank you very much. Bye.
India is managing the adverse effects of the global COVID-19 pandemic. Government has initiated several measures for the revitalization of MSMEs. MSMEs, as we all know, has emerged as a highly vibrant and dynamic sector of the economy over the last 5 decades, playing a very crucial role in providing large employment opportunities at relatively lower capital cost and serving backward areas, reducing regional imbalances and assuring more equitable distribution. There are many institutions in the country which are in the service of MSME sector. The preeminent among them is NIMSME. We are proud that this institution is completing 58 years in the dedicated efforts to the sector. While I compliment everyone connected with this glorious institution, I take this opportunity to mention how important it is once again for this institution to rededicate itself for the prosperity and the good of MSMEs. While we utilize the inbuilt mechanisms of the institution to address some of the issues, we should strive to bring forth new interventions to meet the pressing requirements of the sector. There are many centers like SENDOC who can reach out with various information services, and the consultancy wing of the institution can reinvent itself with various other interventions. By renewed efforts, we can once again demonstrate to the nation the important contributions we can make in these turbulent times. I wish everyone best of luck. Namaskar.
National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, a pioneering academic institute in the field of entrepreneurship, MSME and skill development, is playing a major role in supporting and strengthening MSME sector in India and abroad. Over a period of time, the institute has specialized in providing a host of services like training, research, consultancy, and providing information. The institute has achieved many landmarks, developing many strategies for support and growth of MSME sector. First in the country, entrepreneurship is born at this institute through a path-breaking research called Kakinada Experiment in early 1960s by Professor McClelland of Harvard University. With this landmark experiment, the credo, entrepreneurs are not necessarily born but can be made through systematic training interventions, which led to the first ever entrepreneurship development program in India. Since then, first generation entrepreneurs have been encouraged for establishment of new MSMEs by many research and training institutions in the country. Finally, the institute has achieved self-sufficiency in the year 2001, which became a model for any autonomous organizations in India. The institute has accomplished a task of brand building for MSME sector since MSME Development Act in the year 2006. It has enhanced the visibility and credibility through serving over 20 central ministries, collaborating with similar institutes, and expanding international training programs over 100 countries. The institute has been collaborating in organizing training and research activities with international programs like UNIDO, ILO, UNESCO, and other intergovernmental organizations in the world. In view of the COVID-19 crisis, the role of the institute is more challenging to support MSME sector while spreading entrepreneurial culture. It is very clear from the past that for every great crisis, there would be a bundle of opportunities for the growth of new enterprises. I hope that the institute will once again would timely modify to suit its activities in the present environment. I extend a hearty congratulations to all past and present members of the NIMSME family on the occasion of a 58th anniversary. I take this opportunity to wish the institute to achieve many landmarks in supporting MSME sector through various strategies. Thank you.
I wholeheartedly convey my regards to all the mentors and thanks everyone for making this institute a great success on the occasion of the 58th Institute's Formation Day. The Institute has many feathers in its cap and may add many more in the future. With regard to the Institute, it has been renamed and re-engineered as and when required. Team spirit is one of the reasons for the success of the Institute. The Institute has both professionalism and experience, which has made the Institute to move ahead. Training, research and consultancy are the main focus of the Institute. With regard to the Institute has moved from government support to self-sufficiency is a milestone. When it comes to individuals, everybody has been driven to the culture of earning while learning. The freedom that has resulted in success of the individual and the Institute as well. Let me share my experience in the Institute of more than 4 decades, moving from lower rungs to the highest rung. In fact, I had shouldered the responsibility of both academics and administrative fronts. My qualification as a cost accountant is one of the reasons for the success of my career. Even today, I am able to offer services to various clientele. I compliment the Ministry of MSME for supporting the Institute and making it as a think tank. Let the spirit of this movement continue and be part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. I once again profusely thank everyone on this occasion. Thank you one and all.
First of all, let me congratulate Madam Glory Swarupa, the Director General, all the faculty and staff members of NIMSME on the occasion of its 58th Foundation Day. Being an ex-faculty of the Institute, I, Dr. G.U.K. Rao, find it to be my pleasure to share some of my thoughts to the responsible faculty of tomorrow. I am fortunate to serve the wonderful organization NIMSME for more than 3.5 decades in various academic positions in the Industrial Development Department, presently known as School of Enterprise Development. Since beginning, the school is contributing through many training programs for executives, organizing quite a good number of research and consultancy studies in the institute. In this context, I am privileged to be one of its contributors. I also had an opportunity to serve the institute as rector and registrar. I had benefit of working with many officials of international organizations through training and consultancy studies. I thank all the principal directors, faculty colleagues, director generals, and all the NIMSME family members who supported me during my long tenure. I also enjoyed while residing in the wonderful campus for many years. The institute has very many achievements to its credit and has grown as one of the best knowledgeable institutions in MSME sector in our country and all over the world as well. In this context, I am sure that the institute continue to rise the present needs of the country and achieve the goal of the Ministry of MSME set in for future. Congratulations once again and wishing you all many more years of success and good luck to come. Thank you.
On the occasion of the 58th Foundation Day celebration of NIMSME, I take this opportunity to congratulate and convey my best wishes to all the staff, faculty, and the Director General. It gives me immense pleasure to convey my message to the Institute on virtual mode. The Institute has achieved several milestones in the field of enterprise promotion, extension, and development. But in the process, it has undergone various ups and downs and challenges. But in redefining the goals and reorienting the activities, and with the hard work and dedicated nature of the people of the Institute, it has gained self-sufficiency in no time. The constant guidance and the support of the Ministry has resulted in Institute growth and also in developing various strategies for the promotion of MSMEs in the country. As far as my experience is concerned, I served this esteemed institution for 4 decades in various capacities as Director for the School of Entrepreneurship and Extension and as CFO in the administration. My journey in the Institute is very fruitful and rewarding. And with the experience I gained, I developed the manuals for the ILO and the British Council, and also developed the vision document for the promotion of women entrepreneurs in Mauritius, and also developed some curriculum for various target groups on entrepreneurship development. NIMSME has a long way to go, and with the current pandemic situation, NIMSME has to take up a challenging role and continue to be the knowledge partner to the nation and scale to heights and work very hard to retain the brand name it earned as the Institute of Excellence. With this small note, I once again wish the Institute all the best and namaste.
It gives me immense pleasure to present myself before all of you in the virtual mode. Let me first convey my regards and thanks to the management, mentors, and the NIMSME family on the occasion of the 58th anniversary of the Institute. As you are aware, NIMSME has remarkable potentialities in the form of well-experienced faculty, advanced infrastructure, and above all, the team spirit that ensure achieving a number of milestones by way of contributing to the development and promotion of micro, small, and medium enterprises. The Institute has achieved success in every sphere of its activities by reorienting its activities from time to time. This attitude has paved the way towards its self-sustenance and reducing the dependence entirely on government support. In this context, I express deep appreciation for the relentless effort by NIMSME in meeting the challenges of MSMEs, both within the country and developing countries through training, research, and consultancy services. This apart, NIMSME has been inspiring entrepreneurs and executives in MSME promotional activities. Lastly, let me share my experience of more than 4 decades in the Institute service in various positions, discharging responsibilities in both academic and administrative fronts of the School of Enterprise Information Communication. I strived to establish the new center CCIT and strengthen the activities of other schools of the Institute by providing required information, Wi-Fi facilities, maintenance of systems, etc. through SENDAC and CCT, besides conducting training programs. I can proudly say that many of our former CCIT employees found attractive positions in big MNCs located in different developed countries. My specialization in both documentation and information technology were one of the reasons for efficacy and ability to help guide and support the management in the right way at right moments. My experience at NIMSME has enabled me to offer post-retirement services in the areas of documentation and information technology in private sector. I am immensely grateful to the Ministry of MSME for its continuous guidance and support to NIMSME for its sustenance development growth for the cause of enterprise promotion and development. I once again compliment and thank everyone on this occasion. Jai Hind, Jai Ho, Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Good morning, all of you. I am B.S. Sudhakar Rao, retired as faculty member of NIMSME in the year 2009. I am happy to be part of Foundation Day virtual event of the Institute, and my best wishes to all the members of NIMSME family and other stakeholders. The Institute over a period of time has been successfully managing change and structural diversity in the small enterprises ecosystem and incorporating appropriate changes in its operational plans, project plans, and strategic plans. The current models, activities, and practices surrounding the entrepreneurship education, training, and research are the enrichments and enlargements of NIMSME's models developed during its formative years in 1960s and 1970s. The Institute has been doing exemplary work for the promotion of micro and small enterprises in accordance with the policies and programs of the Ministry of MSME and other stakeholder ministries. In particular, I would like to mention some of the areas like cluster development, protection of intellectual property rights, need-based entrepreneurship and skill development, environmental protection and sustainability in small-scale sector, executive development programs for the national and international participants, EDPs for the food processing enterprises, and EDPs for technically qualified people, to mention some of them. There has been a change in the definitions of micro, small and medium enterprises, and the revised definitions have provided a lot of scope for furthering the work of NIMSME, because several units which have been considered as large previously now come into the fold of small and medium enterprises, and not to mention the service sector enterprises. This revision will offer a number of opportunities for NIMSME to take up programs, particularly in the areas of opportunity-based entrepreneurship, executive and management development programs for the employees of these units, social entrepreneurship, corporate social responsibility, and other related activities. I am sure that the Institute will orient itself and focus its efforts to take up the emerging opportunities in these areas. I once again wish you all very best and success in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
Friends, I am B. Chelvarai, retired faculty of the Institute. At the outset, I thank the NIMSME and its Director General, Mrs. Glory Swarupa, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience and views on the occasion of the 58th Foundation Day of NIMSME. I joined the then CET Institute in July 1978 and served for over 30 years. During this period, at different times, I have served as head of CCIT and Director in charge for Small Enterprises National Documentation Center, also called CENDOC. In academic side, that was there. And in administration, I was Chief Administrative Officer. I was one of the fortunate faculty members to learn, work, and improve my skills under the MSME stalwarts including Sarvashri S.A. Sharma, S.G. Raghu, Dr. S.V. Prabhat, IAS, and Dr. Chukka Kondaya. On this occasion, I express my gratitude to the Institute for sponsoring my candidature to undergo training in Information Science program at Indian National Scientific Documentation Center called INSTOC, New Delhi, a CSIR organization. In this connection, I remember the services, support and cooperation extended by the then Director, SINDOC, Dr. J.B. Subramaniam. The institute, which is located in the heart of Hyderabad, possesses a good atmosphere for learning with state-of-the-art classrooms, hostel, and a rich SINDOC library. The national and international training programs offered at NIMSME are enhancing skills and knowledge in the areas of MSMEs such as finance, entrepreneurship development, management, and extension. The international executives for the training programs are from different government organizations such as Afro-Asian, Middle East, and Latin American countries. They are sponsored by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi. They are sharing their knowledge and experience in enhancing their skills with fellow participants in classroom situation and using the same experience back home situation. I hope the Institute will continue to contribute its might in the development and management of MSMEs with the support and cooperation of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Union Minister for MSMEs, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, and officials at the center. I also take this opportunity to thank all the faculty and employees of the Institute who have been supportive and cooperative during my tenure. I wish NIMSME good luck and bright future. Thank you.
I, NVNS Dev, former faculty member and registrar of NIMSME, feel greatly honored and privileged to say a few words on the historic occasion of this great institute's Foundation Day after successful completion of 58 years of service in the MSME sector. I had the opportunity of associating with this institute in its academic, training, research and administrative activities. The Government of India, in its major thrust to lay emphasis on what it's called as SSS sector, initially in the 1960s, and also realized the importance of training to its officials in the promotion of entrepreneurship and management in the sector. Thus, what started off as an extension center initially at Delhi, on the seminal recommendation of the Ford Foundation team, grew into an apex national center of excellence as it is today. Over the years, the Institute has diversified its activities into medium, small and micro enterprises. Due to the great vision of the heads of the Institute and at various levels in the Ministry of MSME, it grew into an international training center in dovetailing its activities to the policy of the Government of India to assist the developing countries to formulate their respective domestic small enterprise development programs. The hallmark growth of the Institute rests in the setting up of a very modern library and a national documentation center to serve the entrepreneurs and to meet their requirements of the data and the documentation facilities. I must mention here that the courses at the Institute are not just confined to the classroom discussions, but ably supported by the field level experiences of the faculty, which is a unique feature of this great institute. The socio-economic and industrial potential studies have greatly supported and played a stellar role in the policy formulation at national level. The sector-specific initiatives like NCube, Women's Studies Cell, or the Cluster Development Cell have gone a long way in the development of highly decentralized sector activities. The Institute has won a lot of appreciations and rated very high among the administrators due to its demonstrating effect of being on self-sustaining status. The Institute, besides undertaking various sponsored research projects for central and state governments, the multidisciplinary expertise greatly support the promotional, development and financing institutions to update for better discharge of their responsibilities. The eminent and the academically accomplished faculty have all contributed for the growth of the Institute and making it what it is today. I hopefully envisage a very great role for this Institute in the relevant advocacy of the Make in India concept, and our MSME sector has a very significant role. Before I conclude, I place on record my sincere thanks to the Minister of MSME and to the President Director General for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Minister of NIMSME retired, as well head of the Center for Logistics and Integrated Material Systems and Intellectual Property Facilitation Center head, wherein I initiated this division along with my earlier director, Dr. U.B. Razu, way back in 2010. Indeed, it's a pleasure for me to congratulate the NIMSME faculty, retired, as well as the future and as well as also the existing faculty members and the family of Ministry of MSME for celebrating today 58 years Foundation Day. It's a proud moment for me to speak about NIMSME, which has given abundant experience and we have become versatile trainers in the global level. And a lot of areas have been initiated by us because NIMSME is an institution where anybody wants to excel themselves academically, nobody would stop. Everybody would give support from top to lower level management, support management also. So this is where I could gather a lot of expertise in this institution over 38 years on the total quality management, ISO standards, consultancy training to various institutions like Marichanaredi Institute, Ministry of MSME, and Forensic Science Lab, banks, colleges, care hospital, and many I have given certification, but for NIMSME I would have not done that. And also I have gathered lots of experience in the PG diploma programs, have been promoted 1 year for the first time in the institute on logistics and supply chain management as e-business and total quality management. In fact, my areas of specialization more excelled in the recent past 5 years before I retired were intellectual property rights as a trainer and a consultant and a facilitator. I have certified many institutions with ISO standards, as well as I have given consultancy support for patents, trademarks and copyrights and even the geographical indications. With all the experience, I feel NIMSME is one institution where it has given abundant training and many people have taken off in their fields as managing directors, entrepreneurs and also researchers and scientists and all. I wish all of them a success, and I wish the present faculty, present colleagues who are all behind this particular institute to run successfully would take off this institute to the heights of excellence, and really wish all endeavors for the institute, which is my mother institute, and I'm proud that I'm a member of this particular institute as a family of NIMSME, which is my mother. Jai Hind.
I'm very happy to be part of NIMSME Foundation Day. I congratulate all the family members of NIMSME on this occasion. I joined this institute in the year 2000, and with the support of my senior colleagues and all the staff members and various MSME stakeholders, I played vital role in development of MSME sector, and I thank NIMSME management for giving me opportunity to work in various training and consultancy projects. I was also part of various international assignments, and since 2006 I'm particularly working in clusters, and we have supported various implementing agencies, cluster development executives and special purpose vehicles to support and develop handloom and handicraft clusters across the country. And I also thank our Ministry of MSME for their continuation support for conducting various training programs as well as implementing cluster development projects. I also thank all the stakeholders, state governments and well-wishers for supporting all these days, and particularly the management of NIMSME.
Good afternoon. Myself, Molekishore, presently working as a assistant registrar in this prestigious institute. I have joined in this institute in the year 1989 as a junior documentation assistant. Later, I got promoted as a reference librarian and then assistant registrar. I am happy to work with principal directors and director generals like Shri S.G. Raghu, Dr. S.V. Prabhat, Dr. Chukka Kondaya, Shri Uday Shankar, Dr. Sanjeev Chaturvedi, Mr. Chandrasekhar Reddy, and Shri Chandrasekhar, and presently with Miss Glory Swarupa Madam. I have enriched my knowledge in this institute very great extent. In this tenure of 30 years experience, I had cordial relations with all my colleagues and we worked as a family members. I have got immense amount of satisfaction by working here, and I feel privileged to got selected and work in this esteemed institute. I am happy to work with Dr. G.U.K. Rao and Mr. N.V.N.S. Dev as a registrars, and Mr. Subbarao and Mr. Chalvarai. My wholehearted wishes to the NIMSME family on its 58th Foundation Day. Thanking you.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Dr. Bipin Chaudhary. I am working as a faculty member in School of Enterprise Management. I'm working for last 8.5 years with this organization, and I have worked with all the stalwarts in this organization. I got that opportunity and I'm privileged for that. This is an auspicious moment, and I got the opportunity to speak upon on the Foundation Day of our NIMSME. This is one of the nationally most important organization because this is the only national institute under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, and we directly contribute to the national GDP because MSME is contributing to 40% of the national GDP, and this is as a privileged job as working into the defense services of national level, and we are I have got an opportunity to work into the grassroots level for the micro, small and medium enterprise development and promotion, and could contribute to the nation in several ways, and learned tremendously because learning is a continuous process in this organization. And most probably this is the first organization where I have worked this long in my life. Though it's a very small time, but still this is really enriching and fabulous experience and journey, and I hope that in coming time again I'll be this journey continues. Thank you very much.
నా పేరు సాయి కిరణ్, కే సాయి కిరణ్, అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ అసిస్టెంట్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. నేను ఇక్కడ 29 ఇయర్స్ రన్నింగ్ అవుతుంది. డిఫరెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కూడా చేశాను. అయితే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ చాలా ఫ్యూచర్ ఉంది. ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కు చాలా పేరుగల ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో కానీ వరల్డ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో కానీ, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కూడా డెలిగేట్స్ చాలా వచ్చి వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళు. ఒకటి లాస్ట్ అప్పుడు జరిగింది, ప్రభాత్ గారు వచ్చిన తర్వాత దీన్ని ఫ్యూచర్ మార్చి చేశాడు ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కు, ఒక లెవెల్లో తీసుకెళ్ళి హై లెవెల్లో. ఇప్పుడు లాక్డౌన్ వల్ల కొద్దిగా డౌన్ అయింది, కానీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నంబర్ 1 ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇలాగే ఉండాలని చెప్పి ముందుకు సాగాలని చెప్పి కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
నా పేరు ఉర్మిళ వాగ్రే, నేను అడ్మిన్ అసిస్టెంట్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను నిమ్స్మేలో. 8 ఏళ్ళు 9 నెలలు కంప్లీట్ అయింది. ఇందులో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ వర్క్, అడ్మిన్ సెక్షన్ అంతా చూసుకుంటాను. ఇప్పుడైతే ప్రస్తుతానికి క్యాష్ సెక్షన్లో పనిచేస్తున్నాను అని ఆశిస్తున్నాము. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
లక్ష్మీనారాయణ, నేను సూపరింటెండెంట్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. నిమ్స్మేలో పనిచేస్తున్నాను. నిమ్స్మేలో 58 సంవత్సరం జరిగిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్లో పనిచేస్తున్నాను సూపరింటెండెంట్గా. సర్వీస్ సెక్షన్లో, డిస్పాచ్ సెక్షన్లో ఫౌండేషన్ డే శుభాకాంక్షలు.
నేను జేజే విశ్వపతి, సూపరింటెండెంట్ రిజిస్టర్ ఆఫీస్. నేను గత 27 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి నేను ఈ యొక్క సంస్థకు సేవ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ C8 ఉండే, తర్వాత C8, దాని తర్వాత ప్రభాత్ గారు వచ్చిన తర్వాత నిమ్స్మేగా మారింది. ఇది ఎంతోమందికి దాదాపుగా కొన్ని 10,000 మందికి ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చి ఈ యొక్క సంస్థ చాలామందికి ఉపయోగం అందించింది, ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ కూడా అందించింది. తర్వాత ఈ యొక్క సంస్థ ఇంకా ముందు కూడా బాగుండాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈ ఫౌండేషన్ తరఫున శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతాం. అంతా బాగుండాలని కోరుకుంటూ నమస్కారం.
రాజానికి
Urban Institute Thrissur under Ministry of MSME, Government of India. I'm really happy to learn that NIMSME is celebrating its 50th Foundation Day on this 1st July. As a privileged student of NIMSME, I'm happy to say that I got the opportunity to attend 2 training programs at NIMSME, and I enjoyed the warm atmosphere and all the facilities of NIMSME, and those training programs really enlightened my career and my life. And on this occasion of its 50th Foundation Day, I wish all the success to NIMSME in its further journey towards further heights. Thank you.
This is Kanti Meenakshi from National Biodiversity Authority. I work with the legal wing. I would like to convey my special thanks to Swapna ma'am and her team because last year I had an opportunity in attending the training program which was conducted by MSME. It was a national level program regarding intellectual property rights, and I would like to share my experience about attending the training session. It was actually highly educated, and since there was some practical session, it made us easy to understand how to apply patent and the regular follow-ups of it, and the drafting of abstract regarding the invention and all those things. It was like much clarified to the participants, and this is much more special not only for the foundation of MSME, Foundation Day of MSME, but also this is a golden jubilee of commemorating of golden jubilee of PCT. So once again I would like to thank and my best wishes for Swapna ma'am and her team.
Hi, this is Bhajan Krishnan. I'm working as Industries Extension Officer under DIC Palakkad in Industries and Commerce Department, Government of Kerala. It's my great pleasure to mention NIMSME on this auspicious occasion of its anniversary. I was there for a job induction training for 2.5 months at Hyderabad. That experience was so good, and we learned a lot of things in MSME sector, and that helped a lot in my career also. And I will tell you directly, the place where I am standing now is an industrial estate under Industries Department, and this place was a barren place for 23 to 24 years, and I took charge here just 3 years, and you can see the works going behind me. 10 allotments did, and 1 unit started, and 6 entrepreneurs are constructing their buildings. So I could do all these things just because of the training which I got from NIMSME. I still believe, because this helped me, this training, the job induction training is being conducted by such a good faculty of NIMSME. It's one of the best training institutes in India. Not only in India, I can say that many foreign students are coming and learning from NIMSME. So my great pleasure to thank NIMSME on this occasion for giving a very good start or very good change in my career. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Humaira Naushin, the managing partner of Dr. Mushroom Center. We are into mushroom cultivation, training and consultancy. I did my PG diploma in entrepreneurship and enterprise development from National Institute of MSME. Being part of NIMSME has helped me a lot. I have a prior experience of entrepreneurship before joining NIMSME, but still NIMSME has guided me on what actually an entrepreneurship is all about. We had topics on, the McClelland theories, then we understood what is risk-taking ability, various entrepreneurships like, social entrepreneurship, women entrepreneurship, and how it is useful for us. Then there are different, there are topics like marketing survey, marketing, finance, and topics like, you know, IPR. There's an IPR cell at NIMSME. So for budding entrepreneurs where they have their own products, having an IPR cell in Access is quite useful. Then we had field visits wherein we understood the complete supply chain of a product, right from raw material to end product. So all the digital marketing and all these topics have definitely helped me a lot being part of NIMSME. And if you ask me, NIMSME has its own aura where they are budding entrepreneurs and they are entrepreneurs who have already started their own entrepreneur journey, if you ask me. So it has, you know, wherein it is a platform where everybody comes in and discusses their common problems. So we definitely need such platform where, you know, everybody can come discuss what, you know, hurdles they are facing and how to better understand what entrepreneurship is all about. There are different training cells at NIMSME, and almost like every week we had seminars on the government schemes, the latest topics like data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, the digital marketing. There is an exposure of from like 30 countries all over the world. They are entrepreneurs which come in for training at NIMSME. So we get to interact with them, share our success stories, share their success stories. So it is like, you know, exchanging our ideas. So you will definitely not find a platform like NIMSME anywhere. And finally, if you ask me, you know, NIMSME makes entrepreneurs because entrepreneurs are not born, they can be made also. So definitely NIMSME makes entrepreneurs, and I cherish my journey being part of NIMSME. I wish NIMSME all the very best. Thank you so much, and you know, definitely I'm very thankful to be part of NIMSME. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the dignitaries, faculties and staffs of NIMSME on your 58th Foundation Day. I am happy that I got an opportunity to get associated with NIMSME. I went there for, I got an opportunity to stay over there twice, once for a week and another for 15 days around. Thank you for providing such a friendly and homely environment. And also I convey my best wishes to the future directors, faculties and staffs, and once again heartiest congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravi Budama. I run a startup called Startup You. In the year 2017, I've been through a program called EDP, Entrepreneurship Development Program in NIMSME. I must say, beyond learning, it's a great experience being part of that program. A beautiful campus, passionate team, wonderful resources, highly experienced staff. It's a wonderful combination together in NIMSME. It's not just for me, for any entrepreneur, it's a great privilege being part of at least one program in NIMSME. And I would like to congratulate NIMSME for their 58th Foundation Day, and I would like to see more and more successful entrepreneurs from NIMSME. I wish you good luck and congratulations once again. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here I am Shilpa. I am running an institute and my 2 YouTube channel. First of all, I want to wish the NIMSME on its 58th Foundation Day. NIMSME is conducting a number of courses in its campus. One of them is EDP. EDP is very good course for entrepreneur. Why I am saying? Because I have done the EDP course here. This course is especially designed for entrepreneur, and in this course you will learn every little things to become a successful entrepreneur. In NIMSME, all the faculties members are well educated and very cooperative. So if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, NIMSME is the best platform for you. I wish you all the best in future. Thank you.
Hello, I am Harshna, working in RCF, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, India's largest fertilizer making company, located in Mumbai. I am manager of corporate communication and corporate social responsibilities. I think in March 2019, company nominated me for the training on the subject of CSR in NISME. That was 4 days training. And when I reached there, I was only one female candidate in that training center. And I feel lonely first time. But no, it was wrong. Because I can say this training is special training for me. 100% worthy, because in my 14 years career span I have attended lots of training in the subject of RTI, grievances and others, but this was a special training because I gained lots of knowledge from this training. I cleared all my doubts and learned all aspects of CSR. All lecturers were very experienced and topic they have covered with all aspects and practical examples and experience. So I have mentioned earlier in that training feedback session in training center that time that this NISME is a full-fledged learning tree and we can gain all knowledge from here. I especially say thanks to Reddy sir who create homely environment to all candidates, all NISME team. They are dedicated 100%. Or yes, I feel very satisfactory and I am using that knowledge for my company in here in Mumbai, and I feel very happy that I gain lots of things from NISME. So hats off to NISME team and all the best for future span, future career. Thank you very much. Thank you very much all teachers. Thank you very much for all NISME team. Thanks.
Hello everyone. I am Dr. Mrutyunjay Chavandamar. I am presently working as Associate Professor at Chetan Business School, Hubli, Karnataka. It was really a great experience at NIMSME. I attended one of their programs held in the month of September 2018. The training program was on financing micro enterprises. It was a great experience, and the infrastructure and the hospitality part, I really liked it. Full of lush green campus, and the faculties were really very much helpful in guiding, or else they really supported. I would like to congratulate all the staff members, management, all the stakeholders on the occasion of this 58th year of Foundation Day. Congratulations to all. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is PSR VS Vittal from Safe Food and Sustainable Agricultural Solutions, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Through IPFC of MSME, Hyderabad, we have applied for a patent to dry agri-commodities, a system and method for drying agri-commodities with a system called 1 foot above ground net drying system, WFAG net drying system. We have also applied for 4 trademarks for WFAG net drying system process and for the product that is coming out of the drying process. Our innovation, WFAG net drying system, got International Silver Award during the International Spice Conference 2019 January in Hyderabad. IPFC of MSME Hyderabad is a mentor and a backbone to all the entrepreneurs in India. We wish the Foundation Day celebration of MSME on 1st July will be a grand event to motivate and encourage entrepreneurs for a rapid and sustainable growth of our country. Wishing MSME all the very best in all its initiatives. Jai Hind.
Namaste. This is Dr. Mahalakshmi Reddy from Hyderabad. I am a founder of the enterprise called Live Florals. I had been associated with the NIMSME for the last about 8 years. I started my association in the year 2013-14 when I was getting to know about importance of IPR for a research. Me as a scientist from the Agriculture University, I retired in the year 2016 as a complete project on preservation of flowers. So this project was one of the innovative projects which has never been realized the importance of preserving flowers. So I took this as a challenge, and then I came out with a technology where we can preserve the flowers that can live for any number of years. So once the flowers are processed and then encased in a container, there is no end to its life. So that is how the technology was framed. Now, this technology, when it was ready for reaching the public, so it was turned into an enterprise, and then this enterprise was taken up in a very systematic manner with number of experts' guidance, and one of it was Mrs. Swapna, who had helped me to file the IP, and in the year 2016 we had already filed it. As soon as my completed research is ready, then we had submitted. And also we have once the complete project was ready for submission and then turned into a dispenser enterprise, and then my project logo, trade name, all these had to be registered. So Mrs. Banmala also helped me with the registration process of these, and now we have a full-fledged technology and also the full-fledged procedure for running the enterprise. So my success story was a very important achievement for many of the younger generation. So whenever there is a requirement to talk about my technology, I had been invited by NIMSME to talk about how successful to run a successful business, how an idea should be an innovation, and how the projects should be taken from one step to another step to lead the final success part of it. So with this, I was able to contribute a lot to the young entrepreneurs and also to the, and I had been always a learner, and I love to learn a lot when I meet my mentors. So my sincere thanks to NIMSME for giving me an occasion to talk about their involvement in my growth. Thank you very much.
Hi, I Pallavi got an opportunity to learn about baking products at NIMSME. It was a very good experience for me to learn at NIMSME. I have gone through so many products like cakes, puffs, muffins, etc. under the good guidance of Mr. Sandeep sir and Ms. Teja ma'am. They gave us very easy methods for preparing all these items. With their support, we have learned many things during these training sessions. With this, I have got an opportunity and I have got a confidence to start a business in the bakery field. And I have got a confidence to serve delicious and hygiene products to the customers. For this, I want to specially thank NIMSME, my batchmates, and special thanks to Sandeep sir and Teja ma'am for giving us good suggestions and making our batch a good success. Thank you.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు లక్ష్మి. నేను హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంటున్నాను. 10 years నుంచి నేను హౌస్ వైఫ్గానే ఉన్నాను.
నేను బిజినెస్ చేయాలనుకున్న సమయంలో ఎంఎస్ఎంఈ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాను. బిజినెస్లో ముందుగా ప్రాఫిట్ లాస్ అండ్ అకౌంట్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం టాలీ ERP9 కోర్సులో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. సుబానీ సార్ గైడెన్స్ వలన నేను టాలీని చాలా క్లియర్గా నేర్చుకోగలిగాను. నేను టాలీ నేర్చుకోవడం వలన బిజినెస్ చేయగలను అన్న కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ నాలో పెరిగింది. నేను బిజినెస్ ప్రారంభించడానికి నాకు లోను అందించి అన్ని విధాల సహాయ సహకారాలతో నాకు ఒక మార్గాన్ని చూపించమని గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా MSMEని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ బిజినెస్ ద్వారా నాతో పాటు మరో నలుగురికి పనిని కల్పించగలను అని నాలో ఈ ధైర్యాన్ని నింపిన MSMEకి నా కృతజ్ఞతలు.
హాయ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్, ఐఎమ్ సంధ్య. నేను ఉండేది అమీర్పేట్. నేను నిమ్స్మీలో బ్యూటిషియన్ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాను. ప్రతిమరాజ్ మేడం గారు నేర్పించారు. SC కార్పొరేషన్ ద్వారా మేము బ్యూటిషియన్ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు మాకు మేమే ఓన్గా పెట్టుకోవడానికి మేము చాలా నేర్చుకున్నామండి నిమ్స్మీ ద్వారా. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి మేడం వచ్చేసి మాకు జాబ్ కూడా సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. ఇక్కడ నేను అమీర్పేట్ సౌజన్య బ్యూటీ పార్లర్లో జాబ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 10,000 శాలరీ నాకు మంత్లీ. మాకు నిమ్స్మీ ఇంత మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ. అలాగే ప్రతిమరాజ్ మేడంకి కూడా మాకు ఇంతగా సజెస్ట్ చేసి మరీ జాబ్ పెట్టించినందుకు మేడంకి కూడా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Good morning, sir. I am Suryanarayan Murthy Gollapalli. I am from Hyderabad. I am a postgraduate in commerce. I have 10 years experience as an accountant. Before I am joined here, I don't know how to use Tally ERP9. My sir Subani is teaching me many things, how to use Tally, how it is useful. Now I can do accounts in Tally ERP9. It is very easy. We just pass the entries. In manual accountancy, we have to write everything. Every entry we have to pass and we have to post the ledgers. We have to prepare the statements. In the Tally, it is very easy. We just pass the entries. It will generate any report you want. It will give within seconds and minutes. So I thank to my sir Subani and thanks to Indian government to giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
హాయ్ అండి, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. నేను దీప్తి. నేను MSMEలో బేకరీ క్లాసెస్ జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. సందీప్ సార్ మాకు చాలా రెసిపీస్ చెప్పారు. బేకరీ ఐటమ్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా చేసేటట్టు టిప్స్తో చెప్పారు. మాకు చాలా ఈజీగానే అర్థమైంది. సింపుల్ ప్రాసెస్లోనే చూపించారు. మేము ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా సార్ మాకు హెల్ప్ చేశారు. చాలా టిప్స్ ఇచ్చారు, ఎలా చేయాలో, ఎలా చేస్తే మంచిగా వస్తాయో అన్నీ చెప్పారు. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు తేజ మ్యామ్ కూడా మాకు మంచిగా హెల్ప్ చేశారండి. ఏది సరిగ్గా రాకపోయినా ఇలా చేయాలి, అలా చేయాలి అని చెప్పారు. అండ్ ఇన్ని రెసిపీస్, చాలా రెసిపీస్ చెప్పారు. మేము అనుకోలేదు అసలు బేకరీలో ఇన్ని రెసిపీస్ చెప్తారని. మాకు తెలియని రెసిపీస్ కూడా మేము చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాము. కొన్ని కొత్తగా ఉన్నాయి రెసిపీస్ కూడా. అవి నేను వినలేదు పేర్లు ఇప్పుడు దాకా కూడా. అవి కూడా ఇంత ఈజీగా నేర్పించారు, ఈజీగా చేసేటట్టు నేర్పించారు. నేను ఇంట్లో కూడా ఇన్ని వెరైటీస్ చేస్తానని అనుకోలేదు. అక్కడ నేర్చుకొని ఇక్కడ చేస్తూ నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినవన్నీ ఇంట్లో చేస్తుంటే అందరూ బాగుంది అంటున్నారు. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. నేను యాక్చువల్లీ హౌస్ వైఫ్ని, నేను ఎక్కడ జాబ్ చేయట్లేదు. సో నేను నా ఓన్గా బిజినెస్ పెట్టుకుందాం అనుకున్నాను. సో బేకరీ అయితే కాస్త మంచిగా రన్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పి నేను కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించాను. సో క్లాసెస్ జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఎలా ఉంటుందో ఏంటో అనుకున్నాను. కానీ కోఆపరేషన్ సార్ అండ్ తేజ మ్యామ్ కోఆపరేషన్ వల్ల మేము ఈజీగానే నేర్చుకున్నాము. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను చేయగలనని అనుకుంటున్నాను. బయటకు వెళ్ళి నా ఓన్ బిజినెస్ పెట్టాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో నేను థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను సందీప్ సార్కి అండ్ తేజ మ్యామ్కి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మై నేమ్ ఇస్ దినేష్. ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ వరంగల్. జనవరి 6th నుంచి మార్చ్ 8th వరకు నేను NIMSMEలో టాలీ నేర్చుకున్నాను. నేను మా డైలీ వరంగల్ నుంచి నేను ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వరకు నేను అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ చేసేవాడిని. మాకు సార్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పే విధానం, ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వాళ్ళు రిసీవ్ చేసుకునే విధానం మాకు చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. సార్ మాకు అర్థం కాకపోయినా కూడా చాలా ఎక్స్ట్రా టైం తీసుకొని మాకోసం చాలా బాగా చెప్పేవారు. అండ్ మళ్ళీ ల్యాబ్లోకి తీసుకెళ్ళేవారు. ల్యాబ్లో కూడా చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేవారు. మళ్ళీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వాళ్ళు మమ్మల్ని చాలా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ లాగా చాలా బాగా రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నారు. అండ్ నేను సబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా చాలా బాగా నేర్చుకున్నాం మేము. ఒకవేళ నేను వేరే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఇంత బాగా నేర్చుకున్నాను, ఇంత హ్యాపీగా చెప్పలేకపోవచ్చు మేబీ నాకు తెలిసి. అంత బాగా మమ్మల్ని రిసీవ్ చేసుకునే విధానం, సార్ చెప్పే సబ్జెక్టు చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. మాకు మార్చి 18 వరకు టాలీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. అండ్ మళ్ళీ మాకు జాబ్ మేళా టైంలో మాకు కరోనా వైరస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ వల్ల, లాక్డౌన్ వల్ల మాకు జాబ్ మేళా కండక్ట్ చేయలేకపోయారు. I am waiting for the job. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
హలో అండి, దిస్ ఈస్ వర్ణలత ఫ్రమ్ కూకట్పల్లి. నేను నిమ్స్మేలో టాలీ నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఫ్యాకల్టీ వచ్చేసి సుబాలి సార్ దగ్గర టాలీ నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఇది నాకు ఎంతో యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంది. జాబ్ చేయనీకి చాలా బాగా యూజ్ అయ్యేటట్టు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చెప్పారు. సుబాలి సార్ కూడా ఎంతో బాగా ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ టాలీ సబ్జెక్ట్ని మాకు వచ్చే విధంగా బాగా చెప్పారు. జాబ్ మేళా కండక్ట్ చేసే టైంకి ఈ కరోనా వైరస్ రావటం వల్ల జాబ్ మేళా కండక్ట్ చేయలేకపోయారు. ఒకవేళ చేసి ఉంటే మాకు ఒక గుడ్ జాబ్ వచ్చేది అనేటువంటి ఒక హోప్ మాకు ఉండింది. ఎనీవే ఓకే, మాకు ఈ టాలీ సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది రేపు మేము జాబ్ చేయడానికి చాలా యూస్ఫుల్గా.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు డి సునీత. నేను ఇక్కడ నిమ్స్మేలో బేకింగ్ కోర్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. ఆ కోర్స్ నాకు ఫస్ట్ నుంచి బేకింగ్ అంటే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండేది, కానీ ఎక్కడ నేర్చుకోవాలి అన్న విషయాలు నాకు ఐడియా లేదు. బయట నేను చాలా హోమ్ మేడ్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ట్రై చేశాను, కానీ అవి చాలా ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్గా ఉన్నాయి. అవి రెసిపీస్ కూడా ఎంతవరకు వాళ్ళు ఎలా చెప్తారన్నది తెలియదు. ఒకవేళ జాయిన్ అయిన ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి టైం కూడా ఇంట్లో ఎక్కువ ఉండదని ఉండేది. కానీ ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ అయ్యాక ఏ రోజు రెసిపీ ఆ రోజు ఇక్కడ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి టైం ఉండేది బాగా. అందరం ఇంటర్నల్గా డిస్కస్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళం. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా సార్ బాగా క్లారిఫై చేసేవాళ్ళు. మేము అంతేకాకుండా ఇంకా ఎక్స్టర్నల్గా బయట యూట్యూబ్ కానీ గూగుల్ నుంచి ఇంకా వెతికి రెసిపీస్ ఒకరితో ఒకరు డిస్కస్ చేసుకుని సార్తో కూడా అవన్నీ డిస్కస్ చేసి ఆ రెసిపీస్ అన్నీ చాలా కొత్త కొత్తవన్నీ నేర్చుకోవడం జరిగింది. అనుకోకుండా ఈ కోర్సు నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్కువ వెతకకుండానే ఒక పర్సనల్ ఫ్రెండ్ ద్వారా నాకు ఇక్కడ ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఉందని, ఇక్కడ బేకింగ్ నేర్పిస్తారని, దట్ టు ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్. అది నార్మల్ మిడిల్ క్లాస్ వాళ్ళకి, లోవర్ మిడిల్ క్లాస్ వాళ్ళకి ఇది చాలా చాలా యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ బేకింగ్ అనేది బయట చాలా ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ కోర్సు, మెటీరియల్ కూడా చాలా ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ ఉంటుంది. అలాంటిది ఇక్కడ ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్తో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 40 రెసిపీస్ దాకా నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు మా పర్సనల్గా ఇంట్లో అన్ని వెతుక్కొని బయట రకరకాల రెసిపీస్ అన్ని ఇంట్లో ట్రై చేస్తున్నాము. నేనే కాకుండా ఇంట్లో మా డాటర్, తను 9th క్లాస్ చదువుతోంది, తను కూడా నన్ను చూసి ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి తను ఓన్గా చాలా రెసిపీస్ చేస్తోంది. బేకింగ్ అంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా పెరిగింది. థ్యాంక్స్ టు నిమ్స్మే.
58th Foundation Day. We have crossed 58 years of great journey in the services of MSMEs. Over the years, this institution has emerged as a global institution, and this day we respectfully remember the contributions of 17 directors, principal directors, director generals, many senior faculty members, officers. Because of their vision, because of their continuous, constant efforts and hard work, so this institution is in the global scenario today. So we salute all of them, and very fondly we remember all their contributions. And today, entire country and many developing nations are enjoying the fruits of the efforts of this institution. Before I speak, I request all the NIMSME family members except the chief guest and the senior faculty members just to stand up for 2 minutes for a oath, for a pledge. So I request all of you, and I request Swapna to play to show the pledge. I request all of you to repeat after me. I hope all are ready. Yeah, can we start? Yeah. I feel proud I request all of you to repeat after me. Yeah, I feel proud as NIMSME official. I will be punctual and regular to my office. I'll abide by the rules and regulations of NIMSME. I'll deliver my duties with due diligence. I'll be good co-worker to all in my office. I'll not work against my institute. Under any circumstances, I will not do anything which damages the reputation of my institute. I will work for improving the economic condition of my organization and MSMEs. I will work for upholding the reputation of my institute at all times. I will work with integrity and succeed with integrity. I rededicate myself in service of NIMSME, MSMEs and my country. Thank you. Thank you all. Please be seated. Yeah, once again, thanks to all of you. Respects and thanks to all the previous principal directors, director generals, faculty members, and Government of India, Ministry of MSME, Honorable Union Minister for MSMEs, Shri Nitin Gadkari sir, and Secretary to Government of India, Shri Arvind Kumar Sharma ji, and DC MSME, Shri DK Singh sir, and Srimati Alka Nangia Arora, Madam, Joint Secretary SME. Because of their continuous support and guidance, this institute is moving from milestone to milestone. We are at the junction of 58th year and we have Diamond Jubilee in front of us. So we have to reach from the great to greater heights. From this 58th step to we have to reach to the 60th step. So what we have to do? We have achieved a lot. We have built the capacity of the national executives, and we have built the capacity of many executives across the developing nations, and we have helped the state governments, rural clusters, industrial clusters, and many sectors in the area of IPR, in the area of retailing, in the area of e-commerce, several areas we have contributed significantly for the development of our nation and MSMEs. So, but what we need to do, the moment I joined, it was a lockdown. So, but it was a global crisis, and it was critical for the MSMEs. But NIMSME has never set back, and NIMSME never sat down. In these 3 months, with the extraordinary cooperation and support of all the faculty members, officers, and staff, we could complete some of the good works online. We completed almost 20 webinars in different areas for SMA development, and we have come out with some of the strategies and some of the possible solutions for the revival and rebooting of MSMEs, and we have documented all these webinars, and I am very proud to share that this book we have released wherein all these webinars have been documented across the nation. All the MSMEs have many panel members starting from Niti Aayog, and many eminent panelists have participated and contributed. We could reach through this online forum around 3,000 MSMEs and students, and I am very happy to share that a couple of paid programs we could conduct even these webinars, because there was demand to share entrepreneurship content, and they want to know what are the schemes from Government of India and how to set up an industry, how to set up a small scale enterprising activity. We could able to conduct even paid programs. Since April, we were hearing from our Honorable Prime Minister, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we all know that it is standing on our own and doing things on our own and being sustainable. This being very much practiced by NIMSME for the, I think since 2003. This institution is under self-sustaining mode, self-financing mode. So with the help of Government of India, various ministries, industry, academia and different stakeholders, Ministry of External Affairs, this institution is standing on its own while rendering the services to government and other nationalities. So to reach this Diamond Jubilee, so what we should do? So we need to have, human resources are very, very important for any organization, for any nation across the globe. So we have a good team of faculty, the experts with us, and we have good team of officers with us. But we need to reorient ourselves, we need to rededicate ourselves in the quality mode. We have been doing, but now we have to shift, we have to migrate to online, and especially to the micro entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, what we can do. And all the states are looking at the nation, and being a national institution, we have the greater responsibility to render the technology, to give them some solutions, to give them some financial products, and to take care of some of the issues related to entrepreneurship, especially the e-modules, the learning management system. All these things are a discussion, point of discussion in all the online platforms. So we are also trying to migrate to this system to help these MSMEs with the help of our Government of India and Ministry of MSME. So we have reached to all the states and union territories, finding out what do they need exactly with regard to capacity building and with regard to technologies, whether it is green technology, IPR technology, solar technology, retail marketing, or agribusiness, or enterprise development. So we could reach them, and we are trying to get the proposals, especially from the Northeast, because there is a great potential from these states where we can intervene and we can develop the micro enterprises and help the women entrepreneurs. And we have the greater responsibility to help the startups. So since 2-3 years, especially since 2015, because of incubations and Atal incubations and various schemes from Government of India, so many startups have cropped up, and because of this pandemic, so there is no way, and abruptly they have stopped their activities, their production and their manufacturing. So we have a greater responsibility to help these startups and to handhold them. So at this point of time, so I'm just thinking with the we are having deliberations, lot of discussions with the faculty team and with the staff members. So where we can start? We know India lives in villages, and India is an agrarian country. So we need to make a beginning from the villages. So like China, see, we learned many things from China, the great manufacturing and great production and supply to entire world. So they have been a big supply chain to entire country. So we can start developing entrepreneur from one village. So we can make a new concept like one entrepreneur from one village. We know every village there is a small tea shop and there is a retail store where we get all end-to-end product, what is required for the consumers, what is required for the villagers, including farmers in that particular petty shop. So if we develop the capacity of these retailers, the small time vendors in the villages with the digital literacy, with the financial literacy, so in each village we can bring out one entrepreneur. So after village, we have the district level. So we, for many sectors, we have district plan. For especially with regard to rural development, we have district plan. With agriculture, we have district plan. So we should also think in the lines of developing an entrepreneurship plan for each district in our country. We have around 700 districts now. So developing entrepreneurship plan for each district. Now at state level what we can do? So we have vibrant, very vibrant 7 to 8 women industry association in our country, like Seva, Awake, many organizations we have. Similar way, each state we can develop one women industry association. We know women are very sincere, women are very hardworking, and we have proven results with regard to self-help groups and with Kutumbashri successful model. So each state we can bring out one women industry association, and we need to strengthen our research and we need to strengthen our consultancy activities by providing the problems which are existing in the field, the action research. We need to provide immediate solution to the problems. So that's how during this pandemic we made some facility for a group of 3 women entrepreneurs where they can start their production with regard to fashion technology. Today I am very happy to share that we could inaugurate that unit so they can start their production. So we have been working in all these areas where we can boost the production, we can boost the morale, we can give more confidence to the enterprises who are helplessly looking at government and who are, we are also part of that. So we are very much responsible to this nation and the entrepreneurs and MSMEs. And my sincere request and suggestion to all the NIMSME family members, the faculty members, the directors, the officers and staff. We heard Institute of Prominence, State of the Art, Center of Excellence. So why can't we become the person of excellence, a director of excellence, a faculty of excellence, an officer of excellence, a superintendent of excellence, a junior assistant of excellence, a small stenographer who is helping us, so a person of excellence. So we have been hearing excellence, but my vision, so my appeal to all the employees, all the staff of this institute to become a person of excellence, so that's how we can bring, we can make this institution to reach to the global standards once again, and also to reach to the Diamond Jubilee milestone with all pride and with all great satisfaction. At this point of time, I would like to thank some people personally, that is none other than our ministry, all the senior officials from ministry, and in the campus I would like to thank all the directors, faculty members, especially from supporting staff, Miss Sandhya, during this lockdown period. They have been very regular to the office and they have supported, and Mr. Jagan, Mr. Pandu, who is taking care of this campus, he has done good arrangements during this lockdown period, like disinfection of the campus, providing all the sanitizing and healthcare products to all the employees. He has made very good arrangements. And my sincere thanks to my faculty who made today this virtual, as suggested by our chief guest sir, because the positive cases are increasing in Hyderabad. It is not safe for all of us to come together and to observe this day. So the faculty team put a lot of efforts. Director Marketing, Mr. Dibyendu Chaudhary, Ms. Swapna and Ms. Soumya. So they took a lot of efforts making this a virtual e-celebration. I also thank Yes Bank and their team for supporting our Foundation Day and joining us, sharing their greetings and message. Thank you all. Thank you very much, and my best wishes and success. God bless NIMSME. God bless all of us. Thank you very much.
It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the chief guest on this occasion. As most of you already know, Dr. W.R. Reddy recently retired from Director General position at National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Ministry of Rural Development. Sir is a 1986 batch IS officer of Kerala cadre. He worked in various positions. He started as a sub-collector, Government of Kerala, India. Then he worked in Rural Development, Irrigation Department in Government of Andhra Pradesh. He also held the position District Collector and District Magistrate, Government of Kerala. He also served as a Managing Director, Kerala Water Authority, Kerala Milk Marketing Federation and Milk Development Commissioner, Government of Kerala. He was also worked as a Special Secretary, Taxes, Government of Kerala, and also Director, Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India, Director, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture, and he also worked as a Joint Secretary, Plant Protection, Department of Agriculture and Cooperations. He was also a Secretary for Government of Kerala. He also worked as a Principal Secretary for the Government of Kerala, and he was also Additional Chief Secretary to the Government of Kerala before he assumed the charge of Director General at NIRD. Sir has worked almost in every sector and has made significant contributions, especially in rural development, inclusive livelihood improvements, strengthening the PR system by launching Gram Swaraj, and also e-learning platform which made easy access for online courses on the subjects relating to Panchayat Raj, skill development, livelihoods, social audits, etc. Sir also initiated a sustainable rural development model through Action Research Project. Sir also initiated a Rural Innovator Startup Conclave which attracted and supported a lot of youth towards rural innovation and sustainable development. He also streamlined and strengthened the flagship skilling programs and also conducted various training programs for the rural development. He also responsible for connect voluntary effort to the rural problems and aid in social rural issues through high quality passionate professional volunteers drawn from project management institute, IITs, IIMs, etc. He also formulated and executed massive capacity development for scientific Gram Panchayat development plan across the country. He also initiated ICT applications in district development and administration for promoting good governance. Coming to his international assignments and establishing collaboration, Sir was also a member of Indian delegation, actively negotiated the UN Convention Against Corruption during 2003-2004 at Vienna, Austria, and Merida, Mexico, and enabled finalization of the convention. India has become the signatory of the convention. He was also a member of delegation to India, Brazil, South Africa, multilateral cooperation, and instrumental in initiating collaborative training programs. He was also head of the delegation of bilateral discussions with Brazil, Argentina, USA, Canada, etc. Resolved number of issues for mutual trade development in the areas of plant quarantine and import and export regulations. He was also a chairman of Technical Committee of Center for Integrated Rural Development for Asia and Pacific, a 15-member during 2019-20. He was also a member of TC representing India for over 4 years. He has networked with institutions of excellence such as University of Hyderabad, Reading University, UK during 2017-2020 to create a new certification programs to reach out the vast mass of the rural development professional. He has contributed a lot in rural development, agriculture sector, national biosecurity by designing unique programs like Youth Leadership Development Program, Management Development Programs, provided policy inputs to the government for addressing various issues and challenges. He also transformed National Plant Protection Training Institute, Hyderabad, India into National Institute of Plant Health Management. He has created an educational institute with a focus in agri-business, agriculture education, management education and engineering stream. He also rebuilt the National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj. Lastly, Sir has made a tremendous experience working with the farmers, Panchayat Raj institutions, local governments, agencies. He has motivated and mentored youth for and promoting entrepreneurship. Sir, we are very honored to have you on this